If GOG Galaxy is giving you a connection error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a quick and effective fix that solves the problem for many users. This is a simple troubleshooting method, and it usually comes down to either permissions or security software blocking the app from connecting properly. So if your GOG Galaxy is stuck, unable to sign in, or showing a connection error, follow these steps carefully. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Completely close GOG Galaxy before doing anything else. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is fully shut down. Check your Windows system tray at the bottom right of your screen because the app may still be running in the background. If you see the GOG Galaxy icon there, right-click it and exit the program. This step is important because you want to restart it with fresh permissions. Now go to your desktop and find the GOG Galaxy shortcut. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Running the app as administrator gives it elevated permissions, which can help if Windows is blocking part of the connection process. In many cases, this alone can clear up the connection issue, especially if the app needs permission to reach its services properly. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your firewall and antivirus. Sometimes these security tools treat GOG Galaxy like a suspicious app and block its network access in the background. When that happens, the launcher can't connect to its servers, and you end up with a connection error even though your internet is working fine. To fix that, you need to whitelist GOG Galaxy in both your firewall and antivirus settings. Open your security software and look for an exceptions, exclusions, allow list, or trusted apps section. Then add these two files so they are not blocked. C/program files x86, GOG Galaxy GalaxyClient.exe, and C are program files x86, GOG Galaxy GalaxyClientService.exe. Once those files are added, save your changes and make sure the exceptions are active. If you're using Windows Defender Firewall, you may also need to allow the app through the firewall manually. The goal here is to make sure both the client and the service process can communicate without being stopped by security rules. After that, restart your computer and open GOG Galaxy again as administrator. This gives the system a chance to load the new permissions and security exceptions properly. In a lot of cases, the connection error disappears after the restart, because the app can finally communicate with the required backend services. If it still doesn't work, double check that the paths were typed correctly and that your antivirus didn't automatically reblock them. Also make sure your internet connection is stable and that no VPN or proxy is interfering with the launcher. So to recap, the main fix is to fully close GOG Galaxy, run it as administrator, and whitelist GalaxyClient.exe and GalaxyClientService.exe in your firewall and antivirus. These two steps solve a lot of connection problems and are definitely worth trying before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the GOG Galaxy connection error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.